For today's video, papakita po natin ay micro cutting pliers. We have different models po. Pakicheck po, pakifocus na lang po sa ating mga products.
Meron po tayong mga PCFAC 170. Meron din po tayong SUPCN 170. And meron din po tayong Plato 170 OEM. And meron din po tayong MTC 22 Japan. Meron din po tayong MTC 13 Japan. Meron din po tayong EDSYN KP 101. Meron din po tayong Waterun BX 170.
So, Celeste, pwede niyo ba sabihin sa amin kung paano sa ginagamit ang ating mga micro cutting pliers?
Sige po. Micro cutting pliers, also known as wire cutters or flash cutters, are specialized tools used for cutting small wires, cables, and other materials. They have a sharp cutting edge that allows for precise and clean cuts. Here are some common uses of micro cutting pliers. Number 1. Electronics and electrical work. Micro cutting pliers are commonly used in electronics and electrical work to cut and trim small wires, leads, and components. They are essential for tasks such as soldering, circuit board assembly, and wire stripping. Number 2. Jewelry making. Micro cutting pliers are widely used in jewelry making and beadwork. They are used to cut and trim jewelry wires, chains, and findings. The flash cutters provide clean and neat cuts, ensuring that the jewelry pieces look professional. Number 3. Model making. Micro cutting pliers are useful in model making and miniature work. They can be used to cut small plastic parts, thin metal wires, and other materials used in model construction. Number 4. Craft and DIY projects. Micro cutting pliers are handy tools for various craft and DIY projects. They can be used to cut small materials like thread, string, plastic, and thin metal sheets. Number 5. Wire sculpting. Artists and sculptors are often use micro cutting pliers to cut and shape wires for wire sculptures and other wire-based artwork. Number 6. Precision work. Micro cutting pliers are ideal for tasks that requires precise and controlled cutting. Their small size and sharp cutting edge allow for accurate cuts in tight spaces. It is important to note that micro cutting pliers are designed for cutting small and soft materials. Attempting to cut larger or harder materials may damage the tool or result in an uneven or jagged cut.
Can micro cutting pliers be used to cut thinner wires or cables?
Micro cutting pliers are primarily designed for cutting small and soft wires, cables, and materials. While they can handle thin and delicate wires with precision, they may not be suitable for cutting thicker wires or cables. Attempting to cut thicker wires or cables with micro cutting pliers can excessive strain on the tool and may result in damage to the cutting edge or the pliers themselves. It can also lead to uneven or jagged cuts, compromising the integrity of the wire or cable. For cutting thicker wires or cables, it is recommended to use larger and more robust cutting tools such as heavy-duty wire cutters or cable cutters. These tools are specifically designed to handle thicker and tougher materials, providing the necessary cutting force and leverage. For cutting Using the right tool for the job ensures safety, efficiency, and clean cuts without damaging the tool or material being cut.
So, yan po ang ating mga micro cutting pliers. Ulit guys, we have different models po. We have Plato 170, we have XUPCN 170, and we have Waterun, we have EDSYN. Ang EDSYN po namin ay USA po. Origin USA. Then, ito po mga MTC po natin ay mga Japan po. Yan guys. So, Rhea, ano pong sasabihin natin sa ating mga viewers?
Guys, please subscribe our
YouTube
Thank
channel!
you!
Thank you!